Now, just stepping from the median part. Now, a small recap. Median, we are having measurement of the central tendency, and in which we have gone through the mean, median and mode. Is it clear? So, basic thing is that what is the median? Median was a term which exactly divides the distribution into two equal parts. Now, just correlated with the medians, we are going to use some further terms very important in the statistics. Now, for example, we are having, I have written on the blackboard also, on the whiteboard also, but still let me discuss it. For example, we are having quartiles, then quintiles, sextiles, deciles, percentiles. So, these are all the terms which we are going to use in the stats, either in this class or in the higher classes. But the main thing which it is in our topic, that is quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Okay. So, now what these are? Brief description. Okay. Now, just starting from the median, you are already aware of it, but let me give you a small recap. Now, median divides distribution into two equal subgroups. Median divides distribution into two equal subgroups. Now, after median, quartiles, now quartiles divides distribution into four equal groups, four equal subgroups. Then I told you what it was. After quartiles, instead of deciles, let me just tell you that it is quintiles. Now, quintile divides the distribution into five equal subgroups. Sextile divides into six equal subgroups. Divides the distribution into 10 equal subgroups. And the percentiles. Now, as the word sense says, sense for the word, we are using percentage. So, it is percentile. Divides distribution into 100 equal subgroups. Is it clear? So, these are the few terms which we are going to use in our topic. So, the main thing which we are going to use, already median we have used it. Now, we will be going with the quartiles, this one, then deciles, this one, and percentiles. Is it clear? So, one by one I will just clarifying the topics.